learners. In this video, we will see how to appear for the online examination, understand the examination interface, navigate through different sections and upload your answers successfully. To appear for the test, first log in using your CodeTantra ID and password. After logging in, you will see the dashboard interface. Click on the test option available on the screen, then select Take Test. Here you will be able to see the test assigned to you. Locate your test from the list and click on Open Test to begin. Please ensure that you have a stable internet connection before starting the test. After opening the test, an instruction page will appear on your screen. This page will display important information such as total duration of the test, the total number of questions, section-wise details and other examination instructions. Please read all the instructions carefully before starting the test. Before you can start the test, the system will perform an environment check. During this process, your web camera and microphone permission may be required. The system may also capture your photograph and verify your face for identity verification purposes. Please ensure that your face is clearly visible and that you are seated in a well-lit environment. Once the environment check is completed successfully, click on the Start Test button to begin your exam. After opening the test, you will see the examination interface on your screen. At the top of the screen, you will be able to see the time left, which indicates the remaining time for completing the test. Please keep track on the timer and manage your time efficiently. In the center of the screen, the question along with its option will be displayed. Read each question carefully before selecting your answer. On one side of the screen, you will find the question palette where all question number will be displayed. Different colors indicate the status of each question, helping you identify which questions have been answered, which are unanswered, which are marked for review, and which have not yet been visited. You can click on any question number in the palette to directly navigate to that question. If you wish to revisit a question later, you may use the Mark for Review option. After answering a question, click on Next to proceed to the following question. Once you have completed all the questions in the MCQ section, you may move to the next section. However, after moving to the next section, you will not be allowed to return to the MCQ section. Therefore, make sure to review all your answers carefully before proceeding. Please note that if you complete the MCQ section before the allotted time, the remaining time from the section will not be carried forward to the subjective section. You will receive only the designated 80 minutes for attempting the subjective questions, regardless of how early you finish the MCQ section. Before submitting the test, ensure all questions have been reviewed and answered as required. After completing the MCQ section, you will proceed to the subjective section. In this section, you will be provided with a total of 6 questions, out of which you are required to attempt any 3 questions. Each question carries 10 marks. Before you begin writing, take a moment to read all 6 questions carefully and identify the 3 questions that you can answer most confidently. The total duration of the examination is 80 minutes, so it is important to manage your time wisely and allocate sufficient time to each answer. Once you decide which question to attempt, write your answer on your answer sheet. After completing the answer, you will need to upload it before moving to the next question. Now, how can you upload your answer? You can upload your answer sheet using your mobile phone. Log in into the same account using your mobile device. After opening the test section, you will see 2 options, Open Test and Scan. Please make sure that you select Scan. Do not click on Open Test as the examination cannot run on 2 devices simultaneously. If you select Open Test on your mobile, the test running on your computer will close automatically. Using the Scan option, take photographs of your answer sheet. If your answer extends to 2 or 3 pages, make sure to capture photographs of all pages. Before uploading, review each image carefully. If your image is blurred, incomplete or unclear, you can delete it and capture a new photograph before submitting. After successfully uploading the answer for the first question, follow the same process for the second and third question. One important point to remember is that you should upload the answer while the same question is displayed on the screen. For example, if you are attempting question 1, upload the answer while question 1 is open. After the answer is uploaded successfully, move to the next question and repeat the same process. Students who are attending the examination directly on their mobile phones can also use the same device to upload their answer sheets. In that case, there is no need to log in through another device. Simply use the scan option available on the same mobile device to capture and upload your answers. And those who are using their laptops, they can keep a mobile phone with them. Please ensure that the mobile phone remains visible in the camera view at all times during the exam. Before submitting the examination, ensure that all your answer sheets have been uploaded correctly and that every page is clearly visible. If you face any issue while uploading your answers during the examination, you can contact the proctor for assistance. You may also ask the proctor to verify whether your uploaded answer sheets are clearly visible and have been submitted properly. Thank you and all the best for examinations.